Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Zeplin for handoff-ready UI specifications step by step clearly. To begin, open your Zeplin application or website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to authorize handoff-ready UI specifications. Locate the settings icon in the project sidebar. Click on the settings icon to open the project settings. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Select the Integrations tab to view available integration options. Scroll down to find the authorization option relevant to your design tool. Click on the Authorize button next to your design tool. A new window will appear, prompting you to log in to your design tool account. Enter your design tool credentials and allow Zeplin to access your account. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the project settings. Verify that the integration status shows as connected or active. Now, return to your project and click on the screen you want to export. Select the assets or specifications you need for your handoff. Click on the Export option within the screen view. Choose your desired format for the UI specifications. Your handoff-ready UI specifications will be prepared for download. And that's all there is to authorizing with Zeplin for handoff-ready UI specifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.